Okay, so for those who've been asking about the rims, these are the 18-inch standard stock rims that you get from Tesla when you order the car. So these are the way they're going to look as you come. This is simply a hubcap on top. Just a second here, I will take the hubcap off and show you the rim that's actually underneath them. I actually think it looks pretty slick. So I'll do that here in a second, just to kind of get a look at what the car looks like as a whole with the standard hubcaps you get with the standard wheels from Tesla. So we're going to go ahead and take the hubcaps off here, just so you can kind of see what kind of rims are underneath these. Basically just put your hands behind them right here. They'll feel actually pretty tight, but go ahead, just go ahead and start pull off each of these, just like this. Pull them around, and then just pull it off, just like that. And this is the rim that's actually underneath both of them. I'll go in here and do the front one too, so you can kind of see them both together. Same thing, each of these, and it just comes right off. You just clip onto the rim brackets themselves. Now, from Tesla, you can order the hubcap kit. Essentially, it comes with the center wheel cap as well as these little covers for the lug nuts here. So these just push right on, clicks right in, and then these you just simply stick over the lug nuts to get that little bit of a black look there. Alright, go ahead and do the back one here. Back one here, same thing. Just go ahead and line it up nice and straight. Push it in, clicks in right away. And then go ahead and put these lug nut covers on. They stay on there pretty good. Haven't had any of them come off yet. And there you have it. That is what the stock rim looks like when you order it. It looks really good with the black. Like anyone really, actually the silver, it looks really nice too. Just to kind of give you the opposite here, if you want to put these hubcaps back on, because they do actually increase your range a little bit for longer trips. Because when you look at these over here, you kind of see there's nothing to really get in there to kind of pry this out. I wouldn't suggest sticking a screwdriver or anything in there to go ahead and do that. So I've seen other places recommended these. I'll link those in the description. I fixed it, heavy duty suction cups. You get a 2-pack, you really only need one. These work extremely well. So essentially, you just put this over the hubcap itself, kind of line it up, they fit almost just perfectly. Pull this together, pops right off, and there's no damage to it at all. And then you can just as easily put it back on with that too if you want as well. Just go ahead and stick it in there, release, and it comes right back on. So the other to put them back on is just the reverse. Take the center cap out, take the lug nut covers off, and then go ahead and just push the hubcap back on, and you're good to go.